Air monitoring and human pathology data, along with regulatory limits, are stored on a country-specific basis and linked to each monitoring area or individual worker. This alerts IH managers to emerging trends or compliance risks defined by regional or local regulation. As a hygienist, you are responsible for continuously monitoring workplace air and workers for particular parameters defined by country-specific regulations, recording the results in what we call an Industrial Hygiene Smart Form. Monitoring is required for workplace air or occupational exposure limits and health surveillance for individual workers or biological exposure indices. For air monitoring, the following form appears. When prescribed parameters are approached or exceeded, both a warning and a worker hazard rating are generated. Appropriate control measures are then automatically presented in a multiple-choice menu. Color match the recommended control measures with the worker hazard rating to minimize it. For health surveillance of an individual worker, the following form appears. Appropriate control measures are also automatically presented in a multiple-choice menu. As with air monitoring, simply color match the recommended control measures with the worker hazard rating to minimize the risk to its lowest level. Health surveillance data is also used to produce a single-page worker risk assessment document, highlighting workplace control measures to ensure that worker safety is paramount. Recognizing that every workplace is unique, we've made it easy to tailor assessment forms to your specific requirements. You can customize smart form fields and criteria to align with any scenario or regulatory standard, ensuring that the forms effectively address your team's needs. This feature leverages your expert insights, streamlining decision-making and enhancing workplace safety protocols. The Smart Form provides real-time reminders and automatically applies local regulatory limits as users complete assessments, enabling immediate responses to potential hazards and compliance gaps. All monitored data and recommended control measures are recorded in interactive time series graphs, allowing hygienists to monitor trends at an organizational, local, or individual worker level. Our interactive graphs allow you to track where each monitored personnel member is working, helping you identify areas that may require attention. Employee medical histories can now be reviewed in a confidential, password-protected feature. Identify or schedule review requirements and persons at risk. Worker-specific histories are available throughout their entire employment period. Additionally, our IHM provides seamless API integration, securely sync employee health data with your HR system for streamlined compliance, automated health monitoring, keep workplace health checks on track with the Health Monitor Scheduler, customizable exposure limits, set stricter limits for enhanced employee protection and global alignment, robust security, ensure compliance with evolving regulations through advanced security measures.